At number 1, we have the Uutensil Stirr Plus Automatic Pan Stirrer. Wish your sauces could stir themselves? Just drop in Stirr Plus, press a button, and let it keep soups, gravies, and custards gently moving so nothing sticks or burns. Its soft, heat-safe legs glide smoothly over non-stick pans, while the compact motor keeps everything evenly mixed as you focus on other tasks. When you're done, it stands neatly on its own and comes apart quickly for easy cleaning. Simple, cordless, and easy to use, it's a handy little helper that lets you cook more freely. No need to stand over the pot. At number 2, we have the Kitchen Mama Auto Electric Can Opener. Press once and let this opener do the work. It moves around the can on its own, leaving a smooth, safe edge. No sharp lids or hand strain. The comfortable grip feels natural to hold, and its compact size makes it easy to tuck away in any drawer. Powered by simple batteries, it handles everyday cans with ease and stops automatically when finished. Perfect for busy kitchens or anyone who prefers a lighter touch, it keeps prep quick, safe, and effortless, so you can focus on cooking, not struggling with the can.
At number 3, we have the Fullstar All-in-One Vegetable Chopper. Make meal prep simple with this all-in-one chopper. Swap between blades to dice onions, slice tomatoes, spiralize veggies, or grate cheese. All while everything collects neatly in the built-in container. The non-slip base keeps it steady as you work, and the finger guard adds extra protection during quick prep. Measurement markings help with portioning, and the whole set stacks together for easy storage. Easy to rinse and designed for everyday use, it's a practical kitchen tool that helps you prep faster and keep your space clean.
At number 4, we have the Hamilton Beach Dual Breakfast Sandwich Maker. Make breakfast for 2 in minutes. Stack your favorite bread, cheese, pre-cooked meat, and a fresh egg. The built-in ring cooks the egg just right before sliding it onto your sandwich. It's that simple. Great for English muffins, bagels, or croissants. Mix and match ingredients to suit your taste. Get creative and enjoy warm, satisfying sandwiches every time. The non-stick surfaces wipe clean easily, and the parts are even dishwasher safe. Compact and easy to use, it takes the hassle out of busy mornings. Upgrade your breakfast.
At number 5, we have the COSORI TurboBlaze 6QT Air Fryer. Enjoy crisp, delicious meals with less effort. TurboBlaze uses fast air circulation to cook fries, wings, and vegetables with little to no oil, giving you great texture without the hassle. The spacious 6-quart basket handles family portions, while easy presets help with everything from reheating to roasting. A simple touchscreen, helpful shake reminder, and adjustable temperature make cooking feel straightforward. When you're done, the nonstick parts are easy to clean. Designed for busy days, it's a sleek, practical way to get tasty results without spending extra time in the kitchen.
At number 6, we have the Ninja Speedi Rapid Cooker and Air Fryer. Cook full meals faster by steaming and air frying at the same time. Your proteins stay tender while sides come out nicely crisp. With a roomy 6-quart capacity, you can easily feed up to 4 people. Switch between modes for any meal, from crispy fries to a complete one-pot pasta dish. The simple controls and smart app make it easy to create thousands of custom recipes. Recreate your favorite restaurant meals at home, all in one pot with less time and fewer dishes.
At number 7, we have the Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1, a true kitchen all-rounder. This multi-cooker brings multiple cooking methods into one pot. Pressure cook, slow cook, saute, steam, make rice or yogurt, and keep food warm. It automatically manages time and temperature for consistent results. Simple one-touch programs make everyday meals easier, from beans to soups. The secure lid and built-in safety features add peace of mind. With quicker cooking and fewer dishes to clean, it's a reliable go-to for busy days. The Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1. Endless possibilities. At number 8, we have the OXO Good Grips Large Salad Spinner. Tired of soggy salads? This spins your greens dry in seconds with just a few pumps. Need to stop? Just tap the brake for instant control. It's perfect for more than just lettuce. Wash and dry herbs or delicate berries too. The non-slip base keeps it steady on any counter, and the clear design looks great as a serving bowl. Cleanup is a breeze. The lid comes apart completely for a thorough wash. The result? Maximum dry, minimum effort, and the freshest, crispiest salads every time.
At number 10, we have the Kitchen Gizmo Snap End Strain Clip-On Strainer. Clip it on, tilt, and pour. No extra tools needed. It attaches securely to pots, pans, or bowls, letting you drain water while keeping food in place. The sturdy clips hold tight on different rim sizes for universal compatibility. It's perfect for draining pasta, vegetables, or anything else without the usual hassle. The heat-resistant material handles hot liquids with ease, and it's easy to use and quick to clean. Its compact design takes up far less space than a traditional colander, making storage simple.
At number 11, we have the Dash Safe Slice Mandoline Slicer. Get clean, even slices without the stress. This smart slicer keeps your hands safely away from the blades while you guide fruits and vegetables through the enclosed chute. Adjust thickness in seconds for thin cucumbers, potato slices, or julienned carrots. The built-in container helps keep your workspace tidy, and the unit folds flat for easy storage. When you're done, a quick rinse is all it takes to clean. Simple to use and thoughtfully designed, it helps you prep faster with neat, consistent results every time.
At number 12, we have the ThermoPro TP19H waterproof digital meat thermometer. It gets accurate readings in seconds, and with motion-activated sensing, it's ready when you are, saving battery life. Built to handle everyday use, it's completely waterproof. Go ahead, rinse it off under running water. The bright backlit display adjusts automatically, so you can read it clearly from any angle, even while grilling. With superior accuracy and a host of smart features, it takes the guesswork out of cooking. Reliable and straightforward, the ThermoPro TP19H helps you get consistent results every time.
At number 13, we have the KitchenAid Spiralizer attachment. Give your stand mixer a fresh new use with this spiralizing attachment. It connects to the power hub and quickly peels, cores, and slices fruits and vegetables using interchangeable blades. Make curly veggie noodles, salad ribbons, or even slices for baking with ease. The sturdy design stays securely in place while you work, and everything packs neatly into the included storage case when you're done. The blades are easy to clean, making it simple to use again and again. It's a great way to add variety and creativity to everyday meals.
At number 14, we have the simplehuman 9Oz touch-free sensor soap dispenser. Keep things clean and simple with this touch-free soap dispenser. It delivers just the right amount of soap without any mess, helping keep your sink area tidy. Designed to handle thicker soap smoothly, it pumps quickly and stops cleanly with no drips. The rechargeable design lasts for weeks on a single charge, and the wide opening makes refilling easy. Its sleek, water-resistant build fits right into any kitchen or bathroom. With adjustable dispensing and hands-free use, it's a convenient, hygienic upgrade for everyday washing.
At number 15, we have the fellow Stagg EKG Pro electric pour-over kettle. Brew with better control. It heats water quickly, lets you set an exact temperature, and holds it steady. The slim gooseneck spout gives you a smooth, steady pour, while the balanced handle feels comfortable in hand. Quiet and thoughtfully designed, it helps you get consistent results cup after cup.
At number 16, we have the Etekcity 11LB Digital Kitchen Food Scale. Take the guesswork out of cooking with this compact digital scale. Its clear backlit display stays easy to read, even with larger bowls on top. Get quick, reliable readings in grams, ounces, pounds, and milliliters. The simple tare function lets you reset the weight so you can measure ingredients accurately without any extra steps. Sturdy yet easy to store, it's a practical tool for everyday cooking and baking. Upgrade your kitchen with the Etekcity Digital Food Scale for precision every time.
At number 17, we have the Ninja CREAMi Deluxe Ice Cream. Turn simple ingredients into your favorite frozen treats at home. This machine transforms frozen bases into smooth ice cream, gelato, sorbet, milkshakes, and more with easy one-touch programs. Customize your recipes with dairy-free or lighter options, and use the respin feature to get the texture just right. The containers and lids are easy to clean, and its compact size fits neatly on your counter. Whether you're adding mix-ins or trying new flavors, It's a fun and simple way to create delicious desserts whenever you like.
At number 18, we have the Vitamix E310 Explorian Blender. Blend with confidence using this powerful, easy-to-control machine. The 48-ounce container is just right for everyday recipes like smoothies, soups, sauces, and nut butters. Strong stainless blades break down even tough ingredients into smooth, consistent textures. With multiple speed options and a pulse feature, you can adjust the blend to suit anything from chunky salsas to creamy purees. Cleaning is simple. Just add warm water and a drop of soap, then let it run. Built for regular use, it's a reliable kitchen staple that delivers great results every time.
At number 19, we have the NutriBullet Pro 900 Personal Blender. Make smoothies quick and easy with this blend-and-go setup. The powerful motor handles frozen fruit, nuts, and greens, giving you smooth, drinkable results in seconds. Just blend, twist on a to-go lid, and you're ready to head out. Perfect for busy mornings or after a workout. Its compact size fits neatly in any kitchen, and the cups are simple to rinse when you're done. Designed for convenience and everyday use, it helps you keep your routine simple and stay on track without extra effort.
At number 20, we have the Zojirushi Neuro Fuzzy Rice Cooker. Enjoy perfectly cooked rice at home without the guesswork. This smart cooker adjusts time and temperature automatically for any type. From fluffy white and hearty brown rice to perfect sushi rice and porridge, it delivers reliable results every time. The advanced inner pot ensures even heating, while convenient settings keep your rice warm and ready to serve. With minimal effort, enjoy restaurant-quality rice in the comfort of your home. It's the ultimate upgrade for any kitchen.